Hey everyone, welcome back to our daily Integrately tutorials. In today's video, we'll see how to connect ActiveCampaign with Google Sheets. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to automatically send new contacts, campaign data, or updates from ActiveCampaign straight into your Google Sheet without lifting a finger. Let's get started. First, head over to integrately.com, then log into your Integrately account. Let's get started by searching for ActiveCampaign and selecting it as the first application in your automation. Next, search for Google Sheets and choose it as the second application to complete the pair. From the list of ready-made automations, select the one that creates an ActiveCampaign contact whenever a new row is added in Google Sheets. Then click Activate. You'll find the direct link to this automation in the description. You'll now be prompted to connect your accounts, starting with Google Sheets. Choose the spreadsheet and worksheet you'd like to use as the trigger, and then click Continue. Next, connect your ActiveCampaign account by entering your API URL and API key. Once added, click Continue. In the Automation Builder, map your spreadsheet data to the correct fields in ActiveCampaign. For example, linking the email column to the email field. Finally, test your setup and switch the automation on. Your workflow is ready to go, and that's it. You've just learned how to connect ActiveCampaign with Google Sheets using Integrately. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link in the description for more details. Stay tuned for tomorrow's automation tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.